Welcome students. This is your first class of third year 5th semester. In this semester we will learn about a new syllabus paper and name of that paper is Windows Programming with C#.NET. We already know that in last 2 years we learned different programming languages such as C, C++, Java. So in this year we will learn about a new programming language and that is C#. So first of all we will learn what is C#. So C# is a new computer programming language developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. This language was developed by a Microsoft company and this is a new computer programming language. C# is a fully object-oriented language like Java. We know that Java is a fully object-oriented language. It means that all the programs, all the problems which are written in Java programming language that are divided into different objects. Like the same way, C# is also a fully object-oriented language. It means that in this language, the program contains class, objects and all concepts related to it. The next feature with this language is that it had been designed to support the key features of .NET framework. So first of all, what is meant by .NET framework? .NET framework is nothing but a combination of different type of already developed programming language. The concepts which are already used in old programming language, that concepts are taken by this framework and different types of applications are developed. So C# is specially designed to support such types of key features which are used in .NET framework. So here we will learn about main characteristics of C#. So which are the main characteristics of C#? So first of all, the first characteristics of C# language is that it is a brand new language derived from C, C++ family. So first of all, the meaning of these characteristics is that C and C++ language already have some features. As we know that C++ is a next extension version of C programming language. So the features which are present in C programming language that are used in C++. So this C# language is also of the same family. C# language contains the features which are already present in C and C++, plus some extra features are also added in this C# language. The next characteristics is that it simplifies and modernized C++. It means that the features which are already present in C++ language, that features are taken as it is by C#, plus some modern, some extra features are also added in it, or some new developments are done in that old features of C++ language and this new C# language was developed. The next feature is that it is the only language designed for the .NET framework. It means that we already see that .NET is nothing but the combination of different programming languages. Here in .NET we can develop different types of applications which are useful for desktop, which are useful for mobile, which are also useful for the networking also. So C# is a language which is already designed for the .NET frameworks. The next characteristics is that it combines the best features of many commonly used languages. The productivity of Visual Basic, the power of C++ and the elegance of Java. The productivity of Visual Basic means that the design view which is present in already developed Visual Basic language, that design view is also used in this C# language. The power of C++ means the extra features, the features which are present in C# language, that features such as inheritance. Such types of powered features are also used in C# language. The elegance of Java means the good things which are already present in Java, that good features are as it is used in C# language. So by combination of these C++, Visual Basic and Java, this C# language was developed. So the next feature is that it has lean and consistent syntax. The syntax for C# language is simple and it is consistent. The next feature is that it will become the language of choice for .NET programming. So .NET programming, whenever we want to develop any application which is based on .NET, that applications can be easily used or that applications can easily developed by using this C# language. The next feature is that major parts of .NET frameworks are actually coded in C#. So the major parts which are present in .NET frameworks, that major parts are developed, that are coded by using this C# language. So these are the basically main characteristics of C# language. So in the next class we will see about what is meant by this .NET technology and how this .NET technology is used, which types of different framework or what is meant by .NET framework. So thank you.